For this exercise, you'll be importing data from a CSV file called British Pubs CSV. You can find this file on the Academy 3T website. Download it before we begin. In the connection tree, right-click the Pubs database and select Import Collections. Select CSV from the menu and click OK. This import shows up as a tab in the main window with two sub-tabs, Source Options and Target Options. In Source Options, select Import from CSV File and click the folder icon to the right of the text box to navigate to the file. Studio 3T will show you a preview of the first 100 documents. Make sure that the File Contains Header with Field Names checkbox is selected. This will generate field names from the first row in the file. Go to the Target Options tab to configure the document data further. Under Insertion Mode, select Drop Collection First if it already exists from the drop-down menu. And from the Empty Fields drop-down, select Exclude. This ensures that each document only includes those fields that contain actual values as opposed to null values like an empty phone field. You can also exclude specific fields to remove on import. Under Import Options, uncheck the Location.easting and Location.northing checkboxes to remove these fields. The JSON Output Preview window should automatically update. Click Execute to create the collection and import the documents. Close the CSV Import tab. You can discard changes when prompted. To confirm, double-click British Pubs in the connection tree. Studio 3T should have imported 51,778 documents. Leave the collection open for the next exercise.